Thank you.
With the R&B activities, I wish to apprise you with the scheme. The chief guest for today's horse show is Lieutenant General Rajendra Devan. AVS show would be culminating with prize distributions, taking show of courage, valor and daredevilry, wherein the young NCC riders from all over the country will display their horsemanship skills. May I request all of you to please switch off your mobile phones to avoid distraction to the horses. Now we await the arrival of Lieutenant General Gurbir Pal Singh, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, direct. ऑडियंस से रिक्वेस्ट है कि शो के दौरान किसी भी तरह का आवाज़ ना करें और ग्राउंड के बीच में ना आए।
गाना का तो है ये अगर
To the audience to not create any disturbance between the show.
प्लीज इधर आइएगा। सिर्फ एक माइक चल रहा है, बाकी दो माइक नहीं चल रहे।
That's how you know they have money. In the whole of the UK.
Do you have to pay anything towards cadets? Huh? Do you have to pay anything towards cadets?
Well, the summer encampments cost like $150. So.
Yeah, for the
Yeah,
camp.
but like I mean like general subs, anything like that.
Like to go in every night. How many nights do you go in a week?
Substitution fees.
So where?
Like into cadets? Or how many days do you go into cadets?
Well, my school has it separated by periods.
Right.
Oh, okay. So how many periods do you have per day? Oh, so you have it 5 times a day then? In a week, yeah.
No. Oh. We dominated you.
I don't know how I feel, but I don't think I don't.
I think it's time we turn the table back.
Oh no!
D6.
We gotta get our good fine.
We have the right
No voice. Show jumping, voice, no voice.
Like
No voice.
these colors represent our forces, the Indian Air Force.
सर एक मिनट ये रखा है सर नहीं चिपकेगा वेल्ड करके दिया है
फिर क्या करेंगे?
सर कोई ऑप्शन नहीं
है ना, तब तक दूसरे वाले देंगे, वो ले लेंगे।
The National Cadet Corps maintains 2 cadet bands, the boys band of the NCC and the girls band of the NCC. They are commonly formed up during the NCC Republic Day camp in late January, during which the bands participate in the Republic Day parade on 26 January and the Prime Minister's rally on 28 January. With the Army flag, Sergeant Bharat Singh. Then comes with the Navy flag, Cadet Babul Das Khichar. With the Air Force flag comes Cadet Sahil Kumar. And with our NCC flag comes Junior Under Officer Siva Prasad. I am sure, ladies and gentlemen, these galloping riders displaying various flags have given you an idea as to
Rounds will be given 1 meter and 60, and the last round will be 1 meter 75 in case any rider. One is dropped, unfortunately, some hassle. The rest of the jumps are being cleared, and the last jump is also cleared. Good rider, the rider who has won a gold and a bronze medal till date. And they straightway, some adjustments at the last minute. 1, 2 clear, 3 is clear. Little fast, they're fast. Oh, well done. 1 clear. The horse takes 2 steps between every 2 obstacles. You can have a count. Well done. They go into the next round. 13 years old horse unfortunately drops jump number 2. They are a little bit fast, and rider is giving the balance fast, but and they clear it. Well done. Well done. Al Fateh, as the name goes, and Kapil Bhagat Singh and Makhan. 1 clear, 2 clear, 3 clear. Drop in number 5, number 6, both steps are trot and canter. First is clear, second clear, third clear, fourth clear. Give a balance, some mismatch, and still till third round. Now they need business. 2 clear, 3 is clear. Some mismatch, disagreement between the horse and the rider. Rider says go. Well done, very well done. Clear, and they got clear. Well done. And straight in the horse. 1 is clear, 2 is clear. Fall back. 3 is unfortunately. इसके साथ ही पहले घुड़सवार आ चुके हैं. स्टार्ट लाइन क्रॉस किया. देखना है कौन से जंप लेते हैं. किसी भी जंप 2 बार कुदाया जा सकता है. 2 नंबर जंप लिया, 20 नंबर अर्जित कर लिए हैं. 80 नंबर और ये 60 नंबर, 70 नंबर ऐड किए और ये अटेम्प्ट किया। जोकर जोकर क्लियर कर लिया, बहुत बेहतरीन। जोकर करने के बाद 30 नंबर और अर्जित किए हैं। देखना है क्या दूसरी बार जोकर कुराएंगे। नहीं, समय भागता हुआ, समय हाथों से निकलता हुआ और समय हो चुका है। बहुत बेहतरीन उम्दा घुड़सवारी का नमूना देते हुए ओके। There he crosses the start line. 45 seconds have been started, and the rider goes to jump number 2, clears it, drops jump number 8, no points have been given, and then is jump number 6. 6 clear, 7 clear, 4 is clear. Now approaching towards the joker jump, and joker is clear. Well done Pargat, well done. 10 number has been clear. Time running out, jumping against the time refusal, and this jump will not be counted. 490 points. Kavya Bishnoi, number 3 rider. Kavya Bagrodia and Milo. 40 seconds are with him to cross the start line. In these 40 seconds, he is having a close look, and there he crosses the start line here and attempts to his left side, going towards jump number 2. 2 is clear. Jump number 8 dropped. No points awarded. 660. 7 is clear. We are watching. Will he go for the joker or will he not? I think no intention of joker. Every rider takes his own course depending upon the capability of his horse, and with that the round is finished. Vishnu P in the arena from Delhi Directorate. Very calculated and rider passing through the start line. The time starts. He is also having the left side of jumping. Number 2 jump is clear. Going towards jump number 8 is clear. Now going towards the joker jump. Fantastic done. Fortunately, they have dropped the joker. The horse and the rider could not. There was a mismatch. They could not judge the event. 7 is clear. Meanwhile, 6, 3 clear, but no, there's a fault. Not counted. 8 is clear. Time is over. I think today was in the right horse's mind. Planning is being made and they cross the start line. The time starts now.
O bang ini raw.
2 is clear. 8 is clear. some fight between the rider and the horse. Going towards the joker jump. The horse says yes, the rider says no. And then they have a mutual decision. Go through, pass it. And now coming to the joker, and they have cleared the joker. Well done. Very well done. Unfortunately, one fault. The horse and the rider going and clearing jump number 4 and jump number 7. Going very fast. The timing is also running very fast. Time is over. Bell has been given. Well done. Bell has been given. Kapil Sharma in the arena. Has he got a plan? Let's wait and watch. And they cross the start line. He is also going to the left side jumping. 2 is clear. 8. And coming to the joker jump. Well done. A mismatch. The rider says yes. Well done. Wow. What a beautiful attempt by the horse. 3 is clear. And some mismatch and the horse and gentlemen, they have done their best. Unfortunately, some mismatch.
जय शिवान शिवान सैनिक स्कूल घोड़ा खाल का स्कूल में आपके समक्ष डिस्प्ले के लिए हाजिर है। डिस्प्ले शुरू कराने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। अनुमति है। जय शिवान।